Look around. Here are just a few of the 1,000 manufacturing jobs in Carroll County.
Pond 5.
There are even more of these types of jobs in McKenzie and Henry County. The pay is good. A manufacturing job averages around $69,000 a year. That's really good around here.
Pond 5.
Most of these jobs start around $14 to $16 an hour, but you can quickly earn more depending on your training, skills, experience, and the type of job.
Pond 5.
Companies are looking for people with these skills.
Pond 5.
See something that interests you? Or even something you don't see? Ask a career counselor at your school or your parents.
Pond 5.
Manufacturing jobs are good jobs, and we need people for them in Carroll County.